चलिए, पार्ट थर्ड, जनरल स्टडीज 50 क्वेश्चन, पार्ट थर्ड। इसमें हम 11 टू 15 क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। इन मार्च 2016 गतिमान एक्सप्रेस वाज ट्रायल रन बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड द फ्लोइंग सिटी, दिल्ली एंड आगरा। ठीक है, क्या हुआ था इन मार्च 2016 गतिमान एक्सप्रेस वाज ट्रायल रन बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड फ्लोइंग सिटी, दिल्ली एंड आगरा के बीच चला था। In March 2016, Gatiman Express was trial run between Delhi and Agra and took approx 113 minutes to cover this distance. Gatiman Express is India's first semi-high speed train. The top operating speed of the Gatiman Express is up to 160 km per hour. It is the fastest and most regularly scheduled train in India. The Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, is another semi-high-speed train operated by Indian Railway. Vande Bharat Express was designed and manufactured by the Integral Coach Factory at Perambur, Chennai under the Make in India initiative. Clear? Next. The main tribe found in Tamil Nadu is Irula. देखिए, the main tribe found in Tamil Nadu is Irula. They live in the northern districts of Tamil Nadu. Irula tribe has their origin from ethnic groups of Southeast Asia and Australia. Irulas are among the particularly vulnerable tribal group. Other important tribes of Tamil Nadu are Toda, Kota, Kurumbas, Panyan, and Kattu-Nayakan tribe, Irula tribe, Tamil Nadu, Garo tribe, Meghalaya, Khond tribe, Odisha. Khond tribe किधर के? ओडिशा का. Next, question number third. Jarawa tribe is found in Andaman. Jarawa tribe is found in Andaman. Jarawa tribes are found in Andaman region. They were living in Andaman Island for thousands of years. They are designated as scheduled tribes. Jarawas is believed to be the first successful tribe to move out of Africa. Jarawa people depend on hunting for food and they maintain distance from the urban settlement. Clear? And next. The author of Anand Math was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The famous book Anand Math was authored by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The book was originally written in 1882. Anand Math takes the reader back to Bengali in the clutches of the famine, the backdrop of the pre-independence struggle and the turmoil of human lives caught in this frame of time. It is considered one of the most remarkable works of Bangla language and Indian literature. Through the book, Bankim also gave us the song Bande Mataram, which became the rallying call for rebels. The first two stanzas eventually became the national song of India. One of the gems of Indian literature, Anand Math, carries a deep sentiment of nationalism, which was the essence of the freedom struggle. Next. Who wrote The Audacity of Hope? Obama. Obama. The Barack Obama is the author of The Audacity of Hope, Thoughts on Reclaiming the American Dream. Barack Obama was 44th President of India of the United States and the recipient of Nobel Peace Prize in 2009. He is the author of New York Times bestseller Dreams from My Father. Author Bill Clinton का बुक क्या है? My Life. बिल गेट्स का द रोड अहेड. जॉर्ज बुश का डिसीजन पॉइंट्स. मनमोहन सिंह चेंजिंग इंडिया. क्लियर है? थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.